The same output we obtained in the previous lesson could be achieved after using a while loop instead of a for loop. However, the structure we will use will be slightly different. Initially, we will set a variable x equal to 0, and we'll say, while this value is smaller than or equal to 20, print x. But please be very careful, and I mean it. If you leave the code until here, you will run into an infinite loop, and your computer will crash. This is a situation you want to avoid, right? So, be very careful. Since x will always be smaller than 20, your loop will be infinite. It will iterate the same variable repeatedly. This is what we did here with x equals 0. And always is not what we want in an iteration. We want to get the loop to end. What is supposed to succeed the loop body in the while block is a line of code that specifies a change in x, or what has to happen to x after it is printed. In our case, we will tell the computer to bind x to a value equal to x plus 2. Let's see if it works. Awesome! This is much better. Actually, there is a term for what we just did. In programming terms, adding the same number on top of an existing variable during a loop is called incrementing. The amount being progressively added is called an increment. In our case, we have an increment of 2. Furthermore, the Python syntax offers a special way to indicate incrementing. X plus equals 2 shows we are incrementing the value of 2 on top of the base x, just as if we had typed x equals x plus 2. As you can see, the two outcomes are the same. To conclude, whether you will use a for or a while loop will depend mainly on your personal preferences. What matters is that your code does not crash and provides correct results. Right? Thanks for watching.